Alright, tonight we're going to be doing a review Richard Petty's 1972 Dodge Charger by SALVINO'S JR Models. Made in USA, 1/25th scale. Let's take a look at it, huh? Some view of the sides here. Here's some other kits. If you like NASCAR or if you love it. There you go. Okay, and here's the tires. I'm not seeing any names on them. That feels like rubber. These are hard. These are hard tires. Not too much work on these. A little bit of sanding there. Okay, and I'm going to show the chrome first. This is heavy. This is real chrome here. When you're buying these old kits, and actually I guess they only made this like 5 years ago was what I take, but I mean that's beautiful chrome there. You just can't beat it. And those nice wheels, yeah. Breather, carb, stick shift. One stack here. We have here the chassis, your net, heads, some flashing, yeah, but it didn't seem like there's too much. You might even get this, yeah, peel it back. No, it's not too bad. Just a little bit. 2 pieces. Some pretty decent detail. Injection mark right there. But that's not too bad, I guess. Wheels, paint them white or the blue on the box, I guess. But it's your model, you can do whatever you want with it. Okay, here we go. There's exhaust dumps, cover for the radiator shield, box for the front, headers, 2-piece, transmission cover, alternator, fuse box inside the chassis. This goes on the fuel tank. Probably won't see it back there. It's pretty much covered up. Oil pan, radiators, like your brake reservoir. Okay, and then here we go. You got your suspension here. Hose, like a water pump, shocks, looks like your front pins for your wheels, and then these are your to make your height on your suspension if you want it higher or lower. And then there's some more suspension work. Be very careful with this one here. I would cut it on the outside first and then work on your way in. I broke one once. Okay, and there's your old seat, and that's a part for your engine there. You got your shocks, and then your front suspension. This supports. This is for your radiator supports here, and of course pedals, steering wheel, springs, big engine, fuel cell, third member for your powertrain axle there. Stack. All right, we have some wheels here. Plain steelies, it looks like. Oh, that's nice. That's what it looks like it's on the front of the kit. then that big old hood. Not sure what that is. Part of your roll cage. Back side here. Interesting. Part for your air cleaner, hose, belts, pulleys. Part of your engine, top manifold, 2-piece, heads. More headers here. More head valve covers. You got your fan. There's another part here for your water pump inlet. Looks like your distributor. That goes to your differential as well. Part of your scoop breather. I guess that's a different setup. Manifold. Very interesting. Okay, and then you got parts here. Roll cage. Part for your, I guess you have extra parts for your grill. Grill parts. Net. Part for your roll cage. The other parts of it. Roll cage and front clip. I'm not sure what these are. If anybody knows what those are, please leave a comment. The glass, thick glass. And the book, I'm gonna bore you with the book, so put this at last. So, oh, decal, of course. There you go. Eddie's 43, 426 cubic inch. Okay, now the board, the book, instructions. One, first the engine. Let's start the engine. Yeah, that's part of that breather system right there. And then there's the front end clip. There's the part assembly. Some people just put it together, or I put mine together all at once and then I put everything on together. Some people put it together fast. Preference. Be a lookout. There she is. Richard Petty's 1970 Dodge Charger. 126. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Thumbs up. I appreciate it. Thank you.